do a little tutorial on how to clean the steering wheel in your M3CS. Really any Alcantara steering wheel. It's fairly simple, but today's example is a CS steering wheel. Let's get started. Alright, so what I like to use is this product by Sonex, just Alcantara cleaner. We can also just use a clean rag, which we're going to soak in water first. Terry weave towels work the best. Just gonna soak it in water. Really just soak it and rinse it out. Alright, so once we've got this, where did I put the other thing? Don't lose your products. Alright, so we're going to take the Sonex. We're also going to grab a dry towel. Go back to the steering wheel. Now first you're going to want to just brush off any loose contaminants with your dry towel. If you have anything, mine's pretty clean. And then you're going to take the Sonex, take the cap off. Then you're going to apply it either to your steering wheel directly or to the towel. I usually just put it right on the steering wheel. Then you're going to take your towel, make sure it's the wet part, then just start brushing it into the suede. I'm going to do some nice motions behind it, grab onto it, twist it. You're going to see it, even though it's not that dirty, it's getting a lot of it off. Alright, so we cleaned the entire steering wheel. It's nice and soft now. You can see how dirty the towel is, and I did it pretty recently. So now we're going to take our dry towel, really just try to dry it off, squeeze it, try to get a lot of the water out. You don't want to have the towel too wet, you want to rinse it out, just have it a bit damp to really get that product into the wheel. And now what you could do is you could either take a toothbrush or a suede brush if you have one, and then just comb the wheel to get the fibers broken up. You guys can get yourselves one of these brushes. They're really useful. I'm not sure where this is from. I probably just got it on Amazon, but it works very well. I generally keep it in the car and brush it whenever it's dirty, or if I'm in traffic. Just gonna brush it like this. Should really make the suede look brand new again. And this stuff lasts pretty long if you keep it clean. I had it on my C63, which I just traded for this M3, and yeah, I did this a lot. Kept it looking new. Even at 50,000 miles, it was looking great. So yeah, that's how you clean your suede wheel. It'll dry in probably overnight. Yeah, feels great again. I'll show you guys the car. Just got it about 4 months ago. It's a CS. I was just at the track, so it's got a number on it. It's pretty cool. Got some damage at the track. New windshield should be here this week. pretty stock. Cosmetically, I just put on this diffuser, black badge, some side skirts. Last but not least, white reflectors. I also did some exhaust work. I threw on a single mid pipe by VSRF, which you can kind of see up there, and an M Performance exhaust, which really made a difference. This car screams, sounds good, not too obnoxious. I love it. Here's the interior. This car is a beast, such a beast. But yeah, that's the car. That's how you clean your steering wheel. Get it looking nice and clean again. And yeah, that's it. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Once again, this is the product I use. I've tried a couple others, but I think this is the best. Yeah, can't go wrong with Sonax. They make great products. Yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions.